Hi, I'm Jeff Straub with Straub Design LLC, and this is how you install decals to a truck. I'm not going to take any measurements just for time's sake, but you'll want to get your decal positioned in the spot that you want to apply it, and rip you off 2 pieces of tape, and tape down the sides of your decal, just like so. Alright, so now I've got it pretty much level and where I want it to go, so tear the decal away from the tape, leaving half of the tape behind. And the purpose for doing this is I can come back in a second and align the decal where it was to begin with. Alright, now what we want to do is cut some of the backing paper off of the decal. So let me get my camera situated here. Alright, so here's the front of the decal, and I'm going to flip it over, and you want to peel the backing paper away from the decal. So lay it face down on some surface. I've got a little table here, and peel it down maybe just 3 or 4 inches, and grab you some scissors and cut that 3 or 4 inches of backing paper off. Maybe. Alright, doesn't look pretty, but you get the idea. Alright, now we're getting ready to put the decal on. So as I said before, I'll line it back up to, without letting the actual sticky piece of the decal touch, align it back to your tape marks and squeegee that top half down. And now I'll go ahead and peel back about half the length of what's left of the backing paper and squeegee that down from left to right. Alright, that's pretty much it. Now just remove the tape. And your decal should be adhered to the surface pretty well. Remove the tape at a 45-degree angle. That's going to help it come off there smoothly. Alright, that's it.